All this time I was on mute. Uh, yeah, I opened this window to mute myself and go to smoke, but I see it's on mute this whole time. I will tell about the straight when I return back. Need to check my audio before I start talking. How do I do it? Is there an audio? Sound check, sound check. Okay, there is. Um, well, the trade idea. I told about it in details before I left to smoke, but it turned out I was on mute this whole time. So, what do we see here? We have this sell-side liquidity pools, this one, all of them were taken. Plus, we have this swing high here, and this mohawk below it, and these are wicks only. There are no body closes here. It's a good sign. It's bullish. Sell-side liquidity was taken. The price traded into this huge 1 hour fair value gap. What? Retraced back. This FEG corresponds to this one. This inversion FEG. This swing high was respected. We can mark it actually and my side. Check on the lower time frames chart. Yeah. After that, we have a bullish MSS here, which is this one. We have this swing high, 15-second swing high, which was taken here. And after all these lows were taken, after the bullish MSS, I'm longing here inside this tiny bullish FEG. Also, the time is right. It's right before the macro, the 650 macro. The draw is this high, these highs, and the new day opening gap low. One flaw in this trade is that price usually draws to the new day opening gap or new week opening gap in the morning session at the market open. So I'm not sure if price will reach to these levels, but this is a very good draw, which is this one. And the plan is to watch the price action, taper it, and see what happens. This is a pool of relative equal highs. It's a good buy side liquidity, so we'll see. Another thing that I don't like too much is this 15-minute fair value gap. You can see it here. Wicks inside only, and it seems to be respected. But these lows are taken, so we'll see what happens. In the 1 minute, yeah, it doesn't look too good because we had this displacement. The price was going to the direction I would like it to move, but then respecting the lower quadrant of the 15-minute FEG, displacement down, and another displacement. We have minor loss taken here. We'll see what happens next. In 15 minutes, we can see that body stopped at this swing high, which is a good sign. But the price is just gyrating between these two levels at the moment. Anyway, this is a good entry. Though the odds changed against us. I'm going to get stopped out. I don't like this. Let's measure this move. OTE. The price just touched the OTE. I would like to see this candle close above the golden ratio. This doesn't look strong anymore. Okay, I will remove this. The golden ratio aligns with the hourly swing high, so I will just remove it and use the hourly swing high. Yeah, it's not looking great. I would like to see the price displays up after this minor sell side liquidity was taken, but it isn't doing that. And this is a low resistance move. Though it stopped at the OT, doesn't look too good. But I'm going to keep this. Either my stop loss gets tagged or it returns back and clears some buy side liquidity. Yeah. Okay. Touch the 1 hour FEG top, but I'm going to get stopped. This is $40. I don't like. I don't like it. Until I release the mouse button, my stop loss will not change. So I haven't moved it. If it goes down a bit, I will get stopped. But I'm waiting for this candle close. It's a touch to the hourly FEG top. I will put it here. If I see displacement to the upward direction. Yep. Got stopped out. Didn't work out, unfortunately. This was also not a bad level to take some profit. Why? Because of this. See? Okay. I want to trade this again. It's getting respected. This one is not a good entry already because it's a FOMO thing, I think. Let's mark this FAG. I'm expecting this to be an inversion fair value gap. $7.16. This is our target. Draw is new day opening gap and this high. I made another mistake actually. When the price traded up and I was in profit, I should have moved my stop. Didn't do it. And I got stopped and lost money. Shouldn't have been the case. Should have moved my stop after this move, after this one. The stop loss should have been under this low. So the closest sell side liquidity pool. If the price is bullish and it's moving up, then it should have returned back and ride this, especially after clearing up all the sell side here. In this one, I don't know if I should have been stopped or not. Maybe I should have put my stop loss below this level. I just got into the trade quite higher up for a pre-market session. That's why I didn't want to have wider stop loss. But anyway, yeah, I opened the second trade. So why just not put the stop loss where it's supposed to be instead of getting stopped out and entering again? This one should be an inversion FEG as well. Let's see. I've lost 26 USD and this is mitigating the loss. So I can close this even here. But again, after this sell-side liquidity raid and after these levels being respected, the inversion at the hourly swing high plus OT of this level probably has some juice in it still. We'll see. Dow is just doing its own thing. Doesn't look like anything close to this tip. .30 minute is the same thing. Plus we have an order block in 30 minutes. And no, in 1 hour we do not. Only in the 30-minute chart. Complete. IFAG. Sync is disabled. Sync is disabled. I will move my take profit target to the new day opening gap. And the same thing. I'm just monitoring to see what happens. After all this, I'm expecting displacements. If it doesn't do it, then it gyrates. Consolidation. Liking the body closes above the midpoint. And yeah, instant karma. Maybe the fact that today is May 1st plays some role in this. Holiday. Well, it's not a holiday in US, but still. Though the price action isn't as thin as during other holidays. There are many volume imbalances, but even with that, the price action isn't thin. This isn't a propulsion block. You could say this might be this isn't a propulsion block. I mean bearishly, because propulsion block should not reach to the midpoint of the previous order block. This is our OB, these three candles. If we are looking at this from the bearish standpoint, if this is a bearish order block, this one isn't a propulsion block. So this price action isn't so bearish. The bearishness part is here. Wicks inside the 15-minute FVG only. But on the other hand, we have lows rated. Hourly FVG respected, swing high reclaimed. One moment. Okay. This is turning into a bearish price action already, if this doesn't jump back real quick. Perfect touch to the swing high from hourly. And it would be a swing high in the 4 hour as well, yeah. What do we have here? Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, Friday can close bearishly, actually. If you look at the week, power of 3. A consolidation, expansion, distribution. Let's see. This is good. I like it. It's also this grouping of candles respects this bullish FVG. This one I can, let me keep it here, and I will mark the bullish FVG below it. Here, template FVG, like this. No sync. It's just a bit frustrating. Got stopped out unnecessarily. And now I just want to take this profit and be break even. Not a bad idea, probably. Taking profit is always a good idea. $76.20, $20.76. So it's more than a 2-hour trade. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. 15 minute doesn't look bad. 15 seconds, sorry. Nice. Stop should probably be here under this one. But I kind of want to close this. Should have closed it here, probably. Okay, I'm either getting stopped or I am taking the profit somewhere around here. Very strange price action. Not respecting levels. I mean, after showing respect, it's not respecting them. Returning to the levels again. ES is much stronger than NQ. ES is just all of these are higher lows. Higher highs, sorry. In case of NQ, this is a lower high. Nah, come on. Okay. This is it for today, I think. There is a big divergence between these two. NQ is about to put a new lower low. I mean, to raid these lows, while ES is up in the range. And there are, damn, this is 5 minutes and we have few volume imbalances here. Oh, same story. Stopped out and it's moving. Wouldn't surprise me if this moves up. Moment.